So you might be in a situation where your TikTok account is missing certain filters. So what does this mean? Well, essentially your specific TikTok application or your account can be missing some filters here and there, and it can happen all the time. So the first thing you want to do is you want to first make sure that you cannot see the filters that you want to look at. So in this case, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on the plus button at the very bottom right here, and all you want to do is go ahead and take a look at the filter options that you have. So go ahead and click on effects, which is right here, and these are basically all the other filters and effects that you can go ahead and use. Now, as always, you can go and search through the trending ones that are available, but most importantly, you can go and click on the little search button right there. So click on the search button, and that's going to take you right into here. So now, if you're actually able to see some other filters or effects, all you want to do is you want to go and click on the little search button right there, and you want to search for the specific effect that you want to go ahead and use. So that is basically all you're going to have to do. So just go ahead and basically search up exactly the filter or effect that you want to use. If you see it, then that's good. If you are not seeing it, then this is great. It's not a big problem. What you want to do is you want to make your way over to your App Store or the Google Play Store. If you have an Android, iPhone, whatever you use, so make your way over to your App Store. And what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and search up TikTok, and you want to update the TikTok application. So click on search right here. All you want to do is go ahead and search up TikTok just like how you normally would. So go and just search up TikTok like this. And then when you're here, all you want to do is go and click open, and that is it. All you want to do here, if there's an update available, just update your TikTok application, and that is all you're going to have to do. At that point, you should be good to go, and your application should be not only up to date, but you should probably see the missing filters that you had. Now, if your filters are still not showing up, that may mean the filter that is out right now may not be supported on your device yet. It may be supported at some point, so that's probably all you're going to have to do. So, in terms of that, that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.